Tamakera, one of Japan's most legendary tuning shops, has a story that's both inspiring and heart-wrenching. It all started with Yoshiaki Tomita and Kikuo Kaira. These two visionaries transformed their passion for fast cars into a brand that would become synonymous with high performance and innovation. They began by importing old Mercedes-Benz cars, but soon made a name for themselves by taking the world's greatest automobiles and making them even faster. Tamakera's journey wasn't just about tuning cars. They were on a mission to build their own supercar. Their dream materialized in the form of the Tamakera ZZ, a lightweight, raw sports car that offered an unparalleled driving experience. Despite the hurdles, including Japan's economic crises and stringent safety standards, Tamakera managed to produce 220 units of the ZZ between 1996 and 2000. Their dedication to quality and performance made them a beloved name among car enthusiasts. However, the early 2000s brought significant challenges. Japan's economy was in recession, making it difficult for Tamakera to sustain its ambitious project. In an attempt to survive, Tamakera sold a portion of their company to Autobax, a popular auto parts retailer in Japan. This move kept them afloat, but the road ahead was still rocky. The real trouble began in 2008 when Tamakera partnered with Rowan, an aftermarket parts company. The deal allowed Rowan to use the Tamakera name to market new parts, provided they received Tamakera's approval first. Unfortunately, Rowan didn't hold up their end of the bargain. They began producing and selling parts under the Tamakera name without any approval. To make matters worse, some of these parts were subpar, tarnishing the impeccable reputation Tamakera had built over the years. Tamakera was furious. Their brand, known for quality and attention to detail, was being dragged through the mud. They took Rowan to court, but the damage was already done. Rowan continued to flood the market with unauthorized parts, confusing and frustrating loyal Tamakera fans. This legal battle was a costly affair, both financially and reputationally. Winning the court case brought little solace. The Tamakera name had been significantly damaged. The trust they had painstakingly built with car enthusiasts was shattered. It seemed like the end was near for Tamakera, but the story doesn't end there. In 2010, a glimmer of hope appeared. A group of graduates from Kyoto University founded an electric car company called Green Lord Motors GLM. They aimed to create Japan's premier electric sports car and sought Tamakera's expertise. Together, they developed the Tamakera ZZF, a modern take on their classic sports car. This electric vehicle boasted 365 horsepower and could go from 0 to 60 in just 3.9 seconds, all while weighing a mere 1,800 pounds. The Tamakera ZZF wasn't a commercial success, but it proved that Tamakera still had the ingenuity and passion for creating remarkable vehicles. They produced 205 units, showcasing their ability to adapt and innovate even in tough times. Today, Tamakera continues to develop performance parts and consult with car manufacturers to build high-quality, engaging cars. Their journey is a testament to resilience and dedication. While they may not be the superstars they were in the 90s, the Tamakera name still holds a special place in the hearts of car enthusiasts worldwide. Their story reminds us that sometimes the humble turtle can indeed win the race.